God, should I swear? Should I? Oh, shit!
Giddy,
I'll
oh,
record.
oh, Billy, oh, shitty, oh, giddy.
Guys, I'm gonna be eating yuca chips. My God! I'm gonna be eating yuca chips. Uncle Soak.
You ate too much. Now you're not able to swallow it. Check out your glasses.
Why?
Okay. Pull up. Oh, well, out your glasses, you look Chinese. But with your glasses, you don't.
I just threw up. Oh my God, that was so pokey. I rated it 9 out of 10. Guys, should I record my house? I was like house.
No. What game's that channel? Anyway.
Guys, you want me to show
Wait, okay, is there any way like you can like repeat the video? Like,
the outside of my
when
car?
you like make your voice crack and you're like, yeah, like that.
Oh no. Oh my God. Look at this bandit looking place. No, this one. Most convenient store. And it's right next to this comments.
Look at the cop!
There's a cop behind me. Chat. Should I change my profile?
My man.
This looks like my car. This looks like my car, but